Hello, everyone, and welcome to Taste of Thoughts. Dr. Irina, welcome once again, and how are you today?
Thank you. Great. How are you?
I'm doing just great as well.
Thank you.
And I understand we may be doing something like in the area of crab cakes today.
Yes. How you know that?
Oh, yes, I know this because of all these great ingredients that we have here on the table.
Yeah, I noticed that crab cakes are so different at each place you try them. Like I've never had the same. At one restaurant it is this, and they're all delicious, they're all great, but they made in different ways. So I offer my own way with ingredients which exclude all white flour and sugar, of course. And the crab cakes, it is a very convenient meal, right? You make them, you serve them, and it can be an appetizer, especially for holiday season. People are coming and going around, and so you just make them, and they help themselves. And this is what we'll try to do now.
Well, that's great. How do we get started here?
Yeah, we'll start from making actually the sauce, and part of the sauce will go to the mixture too.
Okay, so the part of the sauce will go into the mixture. All
yes,
right.
we need mayo. But please pay attention. Choose one without sugar. It is very difficult to find, but you'll find it if you look for it. It shouldn't contain sugar, otherwise it will destroy all your efforts in losing weight and getting healthier. We need about half cup.
Okay, sugarless mayonnaise.
Right. I like using Dijon mustard, old style. It's great. It's all full of seeds.
Wow.
We placed it in.
Nice mustard.
Very nice. And we need scallions, green scallions. I don't think we are going to use this part. We'll use only green part. Everything related to fish and seafood goes very well with parsley.
Parsley, okay.
It is amazing combination. You don't need much, but we'll cut it as well. Parsley smells nice.
So far we have parsley and scallions.
Parsley and scallions, and we'll add it to
the mayo and the mustard.
Mayo and the mustard. Yes. Oh, cut greens. It's always such a nice aroma. A little bit salt and black pepper and spice called Old Bay. It also very good for fish and seafood products.
Okay. Old Bay.
Just adds very nice specific flavor which we want out of this kind of meal. Now this will be a part of the sauce. We'll add some things later, but at this point we'll still have for the crab cakes themselves. We have 1 pound of real crab meat. So I expect decent amount of crab cakes.
With a whole pound of crab meat, that's true.
Yeah, it's great. One egg is enough. One egg. This is the texture we've got, and it looks nice with all this green ingredients.
Also, great aroma. You can smell the crab cakes.
Always great aroma, yes. Now, we can't make them like this. So, for the purpose of forming them, usually breadcrumbs are used, or crackers. But we don't want them. We want to substitute them for something good and healthy. So we'll substitute them for almond meal. Almond meal is all almonds, just
So we're going to use almond meal here.
yes, and form cakes. The skillet is ready. It is hot. We'll definitely cook on olive oil. So all we need to do is grab cup of this, coat it with almond meal, and place it in the skillet. You'll make them small and cute and nice. Oh, good. Now the skillet is ready, hot enough, and we'll place crab cakes on the high heat. But then we're going to remove it a little bit.
We're going to start off in high heat.
As soon as they get goldish brown, we'll lower the heat. We can fit more.
Now, how do you know, what are you looking for to see that they're done, or they should be turned over or something like that?
The one side should be goldish brown and not soft, so it should get the crust. The best way to eat them is definitely with a fresh salad, right? It is also part of appetizer. So we'll get greens. I got mixed greens. You can use arugula, spinach, whatever you like. I like this mix. It's colorful. And when you have green salad, the great addition is cheese, of course. Let's grate Parmigiano Reggiano like this. Oh, I know you'll like it.
Just let me just check to make sure this is the right cheese.
This is the best one, right? I love it. Also, we were talking about the sauce. We need to add some lemon to this, so it is getting more liquid and definitely better with lemon. Another addition to fish and seafood, as I mentioned, parsley is lemon. How can you imagine fish without lemon?
Yeah, that's true.
There is no such thing. About half juice of half of lemon. It's enough.
Now it's starting to brown up.
Yeah, now it's okay. We don't want to burn them either. Yeah, they may be a little bit different in colors because we place them with several seconds apart, but it doesn't make a big difference.
Oh, they look so good. They look good, they smell good, and they sound good. It's on.
And this crust, this almond flour crust, it is going to be crunchy and very light. It is not like breadcrumbs you eat. You feel heavy after all anyway, because your blood sugar can go up, and almonds is a great substitute to white flour. In many recipes I use it. So especially for coating, it is also
Coating.
very good substitute, healthy substitute. And also, when you substitute something, you don't want to lose the original appearance and taste and crunch. So it is not maybe a big deal to find a substitute, but you need to keep the taste and all qualities. And in this matter, almond meal is highly recommended replacement for breadcrumbs.
Well, how do they look? They look like we're good to go?
I think that they do, yes.
Okay. These crab cakes are done.
You see, they're crunchy. They are done from both sides. And we have this beautiful bed for them. So we'll place them there.
This is also a great presentation
Thank
of the food.
Well, food deserves it, you know.
Before food is devoured, it gets to look good. Well, Dr. Irina, you have a great presentation right here. It looks so wonderful. It smells so great. A lot of color to it.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to taste it. So maybe we should plate up
Yes.
some and do it.
Let me do
Thank
it
you.
for you. And also,
Yes.
we'll add some sauce.
And you put a little of that
A little
dressing
of
on it.
this, yes.
Now that is a good-looking plate right there.
Let's try.
Are we ready? Here's the test, Dr. Irina.
Yes.
Here is the test.
I'm very nervous. You are the judge. Wonderful.
This is excellent. Wow. This is so good.
Yeah, it's good indeed. And do you feel the difference between breadcrumbs and
It's very
almond
light.
meal? Not
It's-
really, yeah.
It's very light. It's very firm. There's moisture to it. It has great taste, all different tastes. I can taste the mustard, and I mean, I can taste every ingredient in here.
And spicy enough. Good meal.
This is so good.
So when your guests come, you have this, and they help themselves. They're going around.
This is so
And
excellent. It really is. What a great, great treat. Oh, this is.
In
And,
anticipation.
This can be used any time of year,
Oh
obviously.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely. We
And
just
it's crab cake and all the ingredients that go with it. This is an excellent meal, extremely tasty. Wow.
thank you. Thank you.
Very good, Dr. Irina. Thanks very much for preparing this for us today. And of course, it's healthy as well.
Absolutely. It doesn't have carbs
No
at
carbs.
all.
Yep.
It doesn't have saturated fats. So
All the
light
good things.
and yummy.
We want also to mention that Dr. Irina has authored a book, Taste of Thoughts. And this book has a lot of information on health.
Yes.
So you really would enjoy this book. And Dr. Irina, thank you very much for your treat today.
You're very welcome.
And thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time and have a great holiday.